Today in the present era, the major challenges that India as a country is facing are to cater good quality and affordable healthcare services to its growing population, and at the same time, they are not cost efficient. This inaccessibility of healthcare facilities, especially in rural areas, and the difficulty in accessing means of transport causes patients to postpone their treatment or option for medical facilities which is closer but at the same time are not cost efficient and well matched to their medical needs. To tackle the above-mentioned problem, we have introduced an AI healthcare bot system. Our Python-based system connects patients with the chatbot that will help them give the correct answers and precautions to their questions. It is developed with the aim to provide helpful information instantly, especially in times when every second is important. The system will also help the users find doctors, clinics, and hospitals nearby their location in emergencies. Our Python-based project comprises two modules, user and admin. The user will need to register first to access the system. They can log in using their credentials after registering successfully. They can manage their profile and change the password if they want. The users can chat with the bot and resolve their health-related queries. They can also view doctors and their clinics near their location using Google Places API. The users can also view hospitals nearby their location. The admin can log in directly using their credentials to access the system. They can manage the question and answers and will require to train the model. They can also view the details of registered users. We have created our own dataset to implement this system. Also, the CNN algorithm is used to develop this system. The accuracy of general disease risk prediction of CNN is higher as compared to other algorithms. This system involves HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the front end and Python in the back end. The database used is MySQL and the framework used is Django. Advantages: the system will help provide answers to users' health-related queries. It will help users find doctors, clinics, or hospitals nearby their location. It will assist users in emergencies. The system is highly efficient and less time-consuming.